Hello everybody, here we are again with the weekly analysis that I've been doing for the last couple of years on a regular weekly basis. And I know I've been away for the last couple of weeks. I just got back from Dubai and lots of exciting things going on over there. It's kind of like going to Disneyland. But anyway, I'm back home now and in my routine, and I will get this video published today for the upcoming week. And if you're new to the channel or new to Forex trading and you like what you see, I appreciate it very much if you subscribe. And if you're a regular follower, I appreciate if you just click that like button. And of course, leave a comment. Comments do help with engagement in the algorithm and help to grow the channel. So let's go ahead and jump in and get started for this regular weekly analysis. This one starting on the 23rd of September 2025. And as usual, we will look at the high impact news that's coming out. It's very important that you're aware of the news, the data that is released, especially the red items, the high impact news items. This week, I'll just point out to you that we have the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell will be speaking on Tuesday. And you know he loves to rattle and shake up the markets. So be aware of that one, and especially all of the other high impact news. Check forexfactory.com or investing.com for your local time zones. And here we go with the pending orders. These are the trade setups that I have in place for this upcoming week. And I do this in order to help you make profit with your Forex trading. And of course, remember that this is not financial advice. I provide this information for educational purposes only. I'm not a CPA, I'm not a financial advisor. It's strictly up to you to manage your own trading account, to use good risk management to protect your capital. Now, first of all, we start off with the Euro US. All right, the buy limit that I have in place for this upcoming week is entry price 1.1730, and I've noted the take profit for those of you that have requested it, a buy limit on the Euro US as we continue to be bullish against the US dollar. The odd US, also a buy limit with the entry price at 0.6575. And the New Zealand US is a buy. Okay, the New Zealand US market execution. Just buy when the market opens on Monday morning. The pound US, a buy. Market execution on the pound US. The USD CAD, a sell. Market execution, just sell the USD CAD. And the UJ, just sell the UJ. All right, sell the USD JPY when the market opens on Monday morning. And if those of you that trade Bitcoin, I don't trade Bitcoin, I buy Bitcoin on a regular basis, DCA, dollar cost averaging. But those of you that like to trade Bitcoin, you can see we've been trading between this range of 115,000 and 117,000. So it looks like it's headed again down to that support level there at 115,000. So that's where you can place a buy limit for Bitcoin at 115,000. Now, before we jump in and look at the gold chart, which is a very interesting chart to look at this week especially, there's some points I want to bring out to you. Those of you that are new to Forex, and if you're looking for a good broker, or maybe you're an experienced trader and you're looking to change your broker, my broker of choice is Tickmill. Okay, they are a regulated broker. They're regulated in the UK. All right, they have very low spreads. They have fast execution, fast withdrawals. They also have crypto trading, and some brokers will only allow you to trade crypto Monday to Friday, but Tickmill allows 24/7 trading with crypto. If you're a crypto trader, this is where you need to be, Tickmill. They also have a mobile app, okay, that those of you that like to trade on your phone, I don't trade on my phone, but some people, especially young people, love to trade on their phone, so they have a mobile app which makes that very easy and convenient. And also, they have copy trade. And I have a copy trade strategy running on Tickmill. So if you're interested in following my trades, very, very easy to set up. Now, if you want to join me with Tickmill in my team, my rickrayfx team, just go to the website rickrayfx.com/Tickmill. And now let's jump over and look at that very exciting gold chart, XAU USD. And look at this. Isn't this something? Do you notice anything there? Tell me what you see on the chart. It's very, very interesting. The yellow arrow on the left, that is right before the FOMC lowered the interest rate on the US dollar. And then the next red candle that's when the interest rate was lowered. And we went first up to an all-time high of 37.07, and then it dropped down during that day and more the next day. It was a move of $80 overall, 800 pips. And then it started to come back up on the Friday, and you see that yellow arrow on the right? It's exactly the same price as it was before the news came out. And this is what I've told you many times. We see a knee-jerk reaction to the news. News comes out, the market gets all excited, all worked up, and then sometimes within a few hours, but certainly with high impact news like this on the interest rate, it took 48 hours before the price is right back to where it was before the news came out. So, what does that tell us? Gold is back to doing what it was doing before the news came out. And what were we as traders doing before the news came out? We were buying gold. So let's go back to buying gold. All right? Back to what we were doing, because that's what the market is doing. Okay? That's just the way the market sentiment is, whether it's currencies, commodities, indexes, stocks, whatever it is. News comes out, knee-jerk reaction. Pretty soon after that, it goes right back to where it was. So I am bullish on gold. Okay, we still have a neutral on the 4-hour chart. It did drop down to bearish for that one day. Okay, but that will turn bullish likely on Monday or Tuesday. So I'm bullish on gold. So I have a buy limit on XAU USD at 36.70. Let's see. It might not, but let's see if it will drop down to that pending order 36.70, a support level, and then that's where the buy limit will execute. And I have a take profit at a measly $50, $37.20. However, you might see on Monday that it starts to just go straight up or continue up. All right, so be watchful of that, be mindful of that we are still bullish on gold. Okay, everybody, that's all I have for you. That's a wrap for this week. I hope wherever you are in the world, you have a great week of trading. And don't forget to click that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And click the little bell so you'll be notified every time I make one of these videos, which is generally every Sunday before the market opens on the following Monday. I wish you all the best with your trading, and I'll see you again next week.